Glass service manufacture and installation, Barmera, SA. With an excellent reputation plus growth potential, you can walk straight into this business and start earning. Started by the owner in 1994, Barmera Glass Service manufactures shower screens, windows, security doors, and wardrobe doors. With good long-term clients in place, but little advertising, now is the time to invest and take this business to the next level. Supplying mainly new builds, plus some renovation work, clients include J.G. Gardner Homes, Rockford Homes, and hand-built homes. The spacious, well-equipped premises have main road exposure, just 300 metres from the Sturt Highway. Servicing the Riverland area, there are no nearby competitors and demand for service is increasing. Stock, equipment, and assets are part of the sale, including a sign-written 2018 Colorado four-wheel drive ute and tandem trailer. The seller owns the freehold, so rent and lease are negotiable, plus first option to buy the freehold. Now's the time to extend the trading hours, hire more staff to meet demand, and reap the rewards.